What's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is going to be an awesome day because we are going to the Velocity show here in Calgary. Check out that storm. And it feels like we're driving right into it. Not only is there a huge thunderstorm in front of us, there's also a huge storm behind us. And the rain is starting to come down. Luckily, we're almost at the shop. This show we're going to, I know is going to feature some Lamborghinis, some Porsches, and a whole bunch of other really nice cars. There is a bit of a threat to our day though. We are surrounded by thunderstorms. So our first stop is 328 Auto Salon. Let's hope the weather cooperates and just ignores where we are. Well, it is now fully raining. All right, we're all cleaned up and got a bit of a wax, so hopefully a lot of this rain will just beat off and we can dry up for the show. Just coming into downtown now, and it looks like the storm didn't even hit downtown. The roads are bone dry here. This parkade has this huge ramp. We gotta go up. Very steep. We have arrived. Let's go check out the cars. car shows with free hot dogs is pretty sweet. Thanks, Lakeview Automotive. There are incredible views from the top of this parkade. All right, that's going to do it for the Velocity Auto Show. We got rained out at the end, but all in all, it was a pretty good show. Really good selection of cars, and I love checking out supercars. So it was pretty good for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, that's going to do it for the Velocity Auto Show. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out the cars just as much as I did. I know I love checking out the supercars. They were definitely my favorite. But let me know what was your favorite in the comments down below. We got kind of rained out at the end, but we still made it work. And all in all, it was a really good weekend. It was a really good potential last hurrah for the Durango. So stay tuned to see what I'll be getting next. Thanks so much for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.